Chip-dependent companies are facing costly delays caused by traditional installation processes. As demand for semiconductors grows, reaching the market quickly is key. That's where Lesico's solution comes in with its innovative, data-driven approach. We utilize historical data sheets collected and use a data-driven approach to predict the exact material needed for the job, non-dependent to design or layout. All are prefabricated in our manufacturing space. Our interface connectors are a modular solution to maximize construction processes and help plants cut on their installation time by installing them independently to the equipment. Those connectors are a reflection of the equipment and allow to complete 95% of the work, including system testing, before equipment is provided. Utilizing our innovative methods, a data-driven approach, and our interface connectors, we can significantly reduce time in project installations, reduce our clients' headcount on site, and eliminate project bottlenecks. Lesico, building innovations into your products.